Hi there, Jessica here. Let's talk Instagram. Are you tired of those story comments cluttering up your inbox? No worries, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable comments on your Instagram stories and take back control of your experience. Let's get into it. First, open the Instagram app and head over to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and look for Settings and Privacy, then tap on it. In this menu, find the Comments section. This is where you can adjust who can comment on your stories. Under Who Can Comment, you'll see different options. Everyone. This allows anyone on Instagram to comment on your stories. People you follow. Only the people you follow can comment. Off. Disable story comments entirely. To completely disable story comments, simply choose Off. That's it. You've successfully turned off comments for your Instagram stories. Enjoy a clutter-free story experience from now on. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.